Hello, it is. Now, as you might imagine, I get hundreds of emails into the network every week. The majority of them are to tell me to go off, or words to that effect, or to call me a rectum of some nature. But many of them are about socks, and they always ask, is there a correct way to pair and fold socks for the most effective sock management? And I'm delighted to tell you that yes, of course, there is an absolutely correct way, and I will show it to you now. So take your socks, make sure that they're correctly paired, and just form them into shape, smoothing them out a little bit. It doesn't have to be exact, but there we are. And place one directly on top of the other in a kind of pseudo pottering style. And if this was actual pottering, of course, at this point you would issue an apology. So there we are. The socks have potted each other nicely there. And using the heel point as an axis, just fold them over in half like that. Smooth them out like so. And then watch carefully. Take the socks like that, and then open that one, pop your thumb inside, and then using your fingers over there, pull this open, and then tuck the sock through like that. Pull the heel out like so, and just ease that over, straighten it out nicely, and there you go. One perfectly paired and folded pair of socks ready to go into the sock drawer.